Hello, all. My name is Krish Naik, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, I am super excited to announce our new live Agentic AI and Generative AI Bootcamp with Cloud Platform. And this is the 2.0 batch. Already, we had launched the 1.0 batch in February month. And right now, we have probably learned so many amazing frameworks. Let it be from LangGraph to LangChain to Crew AI to Agno, and we are building some amazing agentic AI systems. The best part of that particular batch is that the feedback that we got was quite amazing. Many people were requesting that they had missed 1.0 batch. So this is where it is 2.0 batch for all of you. In this particular video, I will be talking about like what all things we are going to cover with respect to the syllabus. When is the start date of this particular batch? How the classes are going to go ahead, each and everything I will be talking in depth. Okay. So again, this is a batch announcement. Yes, I have been uploading a lot of videos in my YouTube channel related to agentic AI, generative AI. But yes, hand-holded, guided kind of sessions, if you really want, this is the batch that you're specifically looking for. And from all the amazing feedback that we have got from our first batch, we have also incorporated some amazing things in this, which I am actually going to talk about. So here you will be able to see that this batch is going to start from May 3rd, 2025 at 8 a.m. So the classes will be from between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST time zone. So if I probably consider with respect to EST and PST time zone, people will be able to accommodate it very much easily. Okay. The mentors of this specific batch is Paul, Mank, Krish, and Sunny. I will also be there. In 1.0 batch, I have completely taken the LangChain and the LangGraph part, and people have provided some amazing feedbacks. The best part about this is that they're building some real world applications. They're applying those things in the companies itself, right? The timing, as mentioned, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. Duration will be for 4 to 5 months. If I talk about the prerequisites, let me just reload this page. And let me just go ahead and click on enroll now. So here you will be able to see this particular page. Okay, here much more details will be there. So the prerequisite is that you really need to be very good at Python programming language. The Python programming language is very much compulsory. If you don't have that prerequisite, I would suggest just go ahead and check out my ultimate data science batch, which we launched in last month. Okay, then you have this basics of NLP and deep learning, basics knowledge of generative AI. I've written OG. Don't worry, I'll tell my team to update this. Okay. Along with this, you'll be able to see that the duration for this particular course is 4 to 5 months. Now let's go ahead and let's see what all features you'll be able to get it. So the dashboard access will be for 1.5 years, community chat forum for discussion, live doubt clearing sessions after session, hackathon with rewards, resume set discussions and mock interview. Along with this, you will also be able to contact our counseling team if you have any kind of queries. Okay. The next thing is that we'll just go ahead in the deep dive with respect to the syllabus that we have designed for you. You can also download the syllabus and keep it with you. Here, this is the entire syllabus. Our learning objectives have been mentioned over here. We will be mastering some amazing AI agent frameworks, build intelligent agents using LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, Agno, AutoGen, and LangFlow. Develop multi-agent system, design and deploy collaborative AI agents for real-world tasks and all this kind of automated workflows. We will also be using no-code platform so that for seniors, for architects, this will be very much important itself, right? So if you go ahead and see this, so first of all, we will be starting with what is agents, what is agentic AI systems, what are the difference between AI agents or agentic AI systems, what are multi-agents, all this stuff. Then we are going to start with the extension of Python, which is something called as Pydentic. Okay, so Pydentic data validation, what exactly it is. We will be coding it. We will try to understand this. You really need to be very good at Python programming language for this. Then you have this LangChain. Then you have LCEL. Then we will go ahead with LangGraph. Then you will be seeing that how we can implement state and memory in LangGraph, UX and human in the loop with LangGraph, LangGraph deployments. So we will be focusing on deployments with the AWS cloud. Then we will be seeing some more amazing frameworks that are right now in the market, like Agno. Agno is one very good framework which will actually help you to create agents, and it is pretty much faster when compared to LangGraph also. But again, we will try to talk about the advantages of using LangGraph, the down, like what are the disadvantages, what, how do we compare with respect to each and every frameworks, when do we use what, all those things we'll be discussing. Then you have this agentic rag. We will talk about langsmith, how do you probably do the tracing of the entire langgraph applications, how do you design multi-agent system, everything we'll discuss about. Then you have amazing frameworks like crew AI, you have langflow low code tool. Along with langflow, you also have some, like how do you integrate langflow with some third party tools, everything we'll be discussing. There is also some one more very popular no code platform for building agentic AI system, that is something called as N8N. We will also have put up in this specific syllabus for you all. Then we'll be learning about AutoGen. Yes, many people were requesting for MCP, Model Context Protocol. Model Context Protocol also we'll be discussing about it. And the best part is that we have also made sure to include this. I know we have not put this in our 1.0 batch, but in our 1.0 batch also we will cover this in the related to the Model Context Protocol, right? So people who have already taken 1.0, so don't worry, don't feel that this part of the syllabus will not be available over there. It will be available, okay? Because model MCP has just come up recently, just 1.5 month, it has become very much famous, right? Then you'll be seeing how do you deploy AI agent stacks and end-to-end agentic AI projects with this, right? If you probably consider the entire team, Mayank, myself, Paul, Sunny Savita, all these people will be able to guide you with respect to all the things that we have in building the agentic AI systems. And here you'll be able to see all this stuff that we have written over here. We will try to cover it, how to deploy with the help of Dockers. So here we are just not learning, we'll also learn how to build, how to deploy, how to make sure to deploy a production grade applications with respect to agentic AI applications, right? So yeah, just go ahead and check it out. All the information regarding this particular batch will be given in the description of this particular video. And as said, I'm telling you the price of this particular batch is 6,000 rupees INR. Here you can see the GST is 950 and the service charge is somewhere around 5084. 4 to 5 months we'll try to complete up the syllabus, and the kind of learning experience that you'll have is amazing. Now you may be thinking, Krish, still there is a lot of time, May 3rd, you know, as you probably go ahead and enroll in this, there will be a course dashboard that will be provided to you. Inside that particular course dashboard, they have some of the prerequisites videos that I've already uploaded. So if you have time to get, probably to revise each and everything and be ready for that, I would suggest please go ahead and enroll in this right now. And till on the 3rd of May, before you complete the prerequisites, we'll have all the announcements and we'll have the induction session going on, right? So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.